Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will delve into the difference between SpaceX and Roscosmos in the space race. The exploration of outer space has always captivated human imagination, as nations and private companies strive to make advancements in space exploration. Two prominent names stand out: SpaceX and Roscosmos. SpaceX, a private American aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company founded by Elon Musk, and Roscosmos, the Russian Federal Space Agency, have been at the forefront of space exploration for decades. This video aims to explore and compare the differences between SpaceX and Roscosmos in terms of their history, goals, achievements, and approach to space exploration. SpaceX, or Space Exploration Technologies Corp., was founded in 2002 by Elon Musk. Musk's vision was to reduce space transportation costs to enable the colonization of Mars. SpaceX achieved its first major milestone in 2008 when it successfully launched the Falcon 1 rocket into orbit, becoming the first privately funded liquid-fueled rocket to reach orbit. Since then, SpaceX has made significant strides in space exploration, including the development of the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets, the Crew Dragon spacecraft, and the ambitious Starship project. Roscosmos, the Russian Federal Space Agency, has a much longer history dating back to the Soviet space program in the 1950s. The Soviet Union achieved several groundbreaking milestones, including launching the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, and sending the first human, Yuri Gagarin, into space. After the dissolution of the Soviet Union, Roscosmos continued to be a key player in space exploration. It has been instrumental in supporting the International Space Station and has maintained a strong presence in space activities for decades. SpaceX's primary goal is to make space travel more accessible and affordable. Elon Musk's long-term vision is to establish a self-sustaining colony on Mars. To achieve this, SpaceX focuses on reducing the cost of space travel through reusable rocket technology. The company also aims to provide commercial space travel services, including satellite launches, cargo resupply missions to the ISS, and crewed missions to space. Roscosmos has several objectives, including advancing scientific research in space, maintaining a presence on the ISS, and supporting international cooperation in space exploration. While the organization's goals have evolved over time, its primary focus remains on space exploration and maintaining Russia's position as a leading spacefaring nation. One of SpaceX's most significant technological advancements is the development of reusable rockets. The Falcon 9 rocket, for example, is designed to be reused multiple times, significantly reducing the cost of launching payloads into space. This innovation has disrupted the traditional space industry by driving down launch costs and making space more accessible to a broader range of clients. SpaceX has also made strides in creating human-rated spacecraft like the Crew Dragon, which has transported astronauts to the ISS. Roscosmos has a long history of space technology development. During the Soviet era, it achieved many pioneering milestones, such as the first human in space and the first spacewalk. In recent years, however, Roscosmos has faced challenges in keeping up with the rapid advancements in space technology. While the organization continues to operate the Soyuz spacecraft and Proton rockets, it has struggled to develop competitive alternatives in the face of increasing competition from private companies like SpaceX. SpaceX has embraced commercialization as a core part of its business model. The company has secured contracts with NASA, private companies, and international organizations for satellite launches, cargo resupply missions, and crewed missions to the ISS. SpaceX's ability to provide reliable and cost-effective launch services has made it a leader in the commercial space industry. Roscosmos has a more traditional approach to space activities, with a strong emphasis on government-funded missions and international collaborations. While it has participated in some commercial ventures, it has not pursued commercialization to the same extent as SpaceX. SpaceX has actively collaborated with international partners, particularly through its involvement in the ISS program. It has transported astronauts from multiple countries to the ISS and has worked closely with NASA and other space agencies on various projects. Roscosmos has a long history of international collaboration, dating back to its participation in the Apollo-Soyuz test project in 1975. It continues to collaborate with NASA and other space agencies on the operation and maintenance of the ISS. However, geopolitical tensions have sometimes strained international partnerships, particularly in recent years. SpaceX and Roscosmos represent two distinct approaches to space exploration. SpaceX, as a private company led by Elon Musk, has focused on innovation, cost reduction, and commercialization. It has disrupted the traditional space industry with its reusable rocket technology and ambitious plans for Mars colonization. In contrast, Roscosmos, as a government agency with a storied history in space exploration, has faced challenges in adapting to the changing landscape of the space industry. While SpaceX has made significant advancements in technology and commercialization, Roscosmos continues to play a crucial role in maintaining the ISS and contributing to scientific research in space. Both organizations have their strengths and weaknesses, and their differences reflect the evolving nature of space exploration in the 21st century. As space exploration continues to progress, it will be fascinating to see how these two entities shape the future of humanity's journey beyond Earth.